This is not a drill. In honor of National Photographers Day on August 19th, 2025, DxO Photolab is sponsoring an absolutely unbelievable giveaway. I am giving away nearly $700 of the most powerful editing software available today. That's right, absolutely free. One very lucky winner is going to walk away with DxO Photolab 8, the Nick Collection 8, DxO Film Pack 7, and DxO Viewpoint 5, the full DxO editing arsenal. If you're serious about taking your wildlife photos to the next level, this is your shot. I personally own all of these products, and they are exactly what I use in my professional work. DxO Photolab 8 is a professional-grade photo editor with industry-leading noise reduction and lens corrections, and much, much more. The Nick Collection 8 is a powerful creative plugin that allows you to easily transform your edits with pro-level precision. DxO Film Pack 7 will help you to easily create gorgeous film-inspired looks that give your images tons of character and mood. DxO Viewpoint 5 is a tool that allows you to easily fix distortion and correct geometry in tricky shots. This is DxO's full editing powerhouse, and I'm handing it over to you absolutely free. No purchase necessary. All you need to do is submit your entry today and get ready for the winner to be announced on August 19th, 2025. Just head down to the show notes where you will find a link to submit your entry. Thank you to DxO, and I look forward to seeing all of you on August 19th.